Hello guys, how you doing? Master Calvin FX here. Just as you know, we going straight into gold. But before that, as you know, if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, just click subscribe and also click the bell so you don't miss any updates regarding gold and regarding US30 of our forecast. Master Kelvin, Eldorado FX, we are sponsored by PU Prime and Vantage FX. So if you want to trade with us, let us know. We also have a VIP or premium channel where we provide daily signals for you guys. So you also can subscribe into our uh, Telegram channel in our community, Currency Bayagas community. So we have a lot of analysis in there, a lot of amazing traders that can help you as well grow as a trader. If you don't want to take signals, you can grow anywhere with us. So guys, just join us in this journey. This is an amazing journey of trading that we doing. So guys, just gonna go straight into what we basically done with gold. And straight away, once again, I'm just gonna take my time to update you guys because in the end, every song that we tried to anticipate yesterday became a reality. And you know, gold is has been really funny today because it couldn't take the previous daily low, daily high, sorry, and it couldn't take the previous daily low. So at the moment, gold is trading between 2,381 and 2,418. That was the highest price of today, respecting our setup that basically gave around 310 pips or 314 pips approximately. Congratulations if you made profit with the setup provider. So all the best following our setups, guys, and I hope that you made some money with that. So in the end, we managed to get, remember that we started yesterday or this morning when we shared this markup with our weekly markup. So the weekly markup, at the moment, we are in a weekly zone that gold have respected before and many weeks basically respecting this whole zone, guys. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks on the road respecting this whole zone. So let's see what's gonna happen. If we go to daily now, guys, remember that we mentioned that was the selling price. Go at the moment, it haven't closed yet as I'm doing this this analysis, but we still gonna try to refine what this what would be probably the next move. But we're still trying to look for bearish, guys, especially after taking the previous daily low. We knew that it was a retracement that we needed to look for and then enter for sales. Congratulations again if you did that. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna refine my entries and try to find a setup for you guys tomorrow. So let's look for the 1 hour. And this time we're gonna go in 1 hour because this needs a lot of refinement to be able to find an entry. Of course, I suggest the entry, guys. Remember to always check for confirmations. But for now, let's have a look. We are into lines right now, and we're gonna just check where basically we can find our sell entries. So if we go back to candles now, we see the prices here that we can basically refine the trend line if it's possible and just put it with the wick of the candles. So that way we basically can have probably a better entry according to the trend line. Okay, so yeah, but according to this trend line and the zone that we might have tomorrow is again, if you go revisit, it would be this whole zone, to be honest, 2393 to 2402. That would be the expected zone for tomorrow that I'm gonna be trying to find confirmation and to get into gold according, as I say, to the move that we're having right now. But once again, we also see that gold. Let's see, this will be our confirmation for a meltdown if we go break this trend line below. Let's see for now what's gonna happen, but let's keep an eye on that. The move that I'm expecting for tomorrow, it will be this one. So basically, once again, if we have a bounce back up, let's have a look. It looks like gold is gonna do this, but it's gonna revisit probably 2,400 again, and then we're gonna have probably a target to this area down here, even further. But we need to break this area, guys, first to be able to go down. As soon as we get the break, then we can say safely that we're gonna keep going down. Once again, we say that the forecast of the week that we goal was going down. So this is the setup that I'm thinking for tomorrow, and it's a sell position once again. But before that, I would like to check another confirmation if Fibonacci probably can give us a better entry, taking into account these levels that we mark up now. So for example, if we take down the X of the area of the weekly levels, we can go back up to the high that we see visible in here. And once again, 0.61 will be the level corresponding to this entry. So let's have a look at our setup. It would be something that looks like this, taking into account 0.61 Fibonacci. So once again, look for confirmations around 2,396 or even 93 in this case. We're going to start looking from here. And then, yeah, try to see if we find an answer around here. But the best idea or the ideal setup would be if we can enter here around 98. Yep, this is the setup. And then our SL will be not a crazy SL, but let's put it above here and 47 or something like 407 or something like that along those lines. So let's put in 407.50, right? 407.50, that would be our stop loss. Okay. And then once again, this will be our sell limit. Once again, this move can happen, but will take some time. But remember, our main target will be as a TP, the first TP from this setup, this price here, right? That would be our first TP. And then our last TP will be this one at the bottom. Okay, so yeah, around this area. But once again, just gonna write it down, guys. This will be the sell limit. Once again, we are trying to sell the market because that's what we're following. Sell limit 2,398. That would be the ideal, but the exact location of this Fibonacci 0.061, 0.61 will be 0.98, 97. But remember, from 93, we're going to start looking for sells. If you want guided entries that we're going to take in our premium channel, just subscribe our VIP so we can give you the guided entry that we take. And then the first target will be 2,464. That will be the TP1, 2,464. And then the second TP will be 2,313. That would be the TP. Remember, this is how it goes, but I will say first of all, second TP 2,400, 2,340 and 50. And then TP3, that will be the last one. Maybe we just back the our money if we can. And remember, none of this analysis is subject um, to fundamentals. This is only technical, guys. If a news comes out, that's different story. You need to watch out for news. You need to know how to read fundamentals as well, patterns, all of that. It can teach you differently of technical. So just be aware of that as well. So 2,400, sorry, 213. And then the SL, once again, we're gonna have is 2,407.50. Okay, so this will be our sell limit for tomorrow. This is what we're doing. We're just selling, guys. And that's what the market is teaching us, is showing us that at the moment, the market wants to sell. And we're following the trend and we're following what the market is doing. All right, so that this will be goal set up for tomorrow. So remember, guys, always use proper risk management whatever you do. Now we're going back to our lovely US30. What can I say about US30? So let's go straight into it. Once again, US30 is showing respect for the zone because he fake it out and then drop again. It's just really crazy because it took the setup that we suggested last night out, but we are still in a downtrend for what we can see. All right, guys, this is what we can see on US30 still. So after if gave us some points, yeah, activated the setup right here around 1 p.m. or something like that, because he didn't activate it here. 1 p.m. UK time, activated the setup, and then he gave a lot of points, guys. No, sorry, it was this one here, so it wasn't that many points. 227 points, and then it went back up, guys. Went back up, took out the setups. Hopefully, you guys made some profit, but we're still going down. So looking at this, guys, once again, what we're gonna try to do is to keep selling on US30 as well. So at the moment, our selling area is still the same, but let's have a look because we might get a move like this on US30 once again to try to take out the high, but then we're gonna be continuing down. So that's what we'll be expecting. So that is why our sell limits for US30 will be like this, guys. It's just a simple setup for US30. Sell limits, once again, we're gonna dig this one. Sell limit US30 would be 39,000. In this case, it's 39,294, 39,294. And then the TP, the first TP, if we get the retracement to get in, if it doesn't leave us, yeah, the first TP would be this one. So I use these two TPs in this case, guys. So first TP, 38,900, 640, 38,640. Around the numbers, this will be our first TP. And our last TP, 37,919. 37,919. That would be the TP, and the SL we're gonna have is 39,501, 39,501. That would be the ideal SL in this case and the ideal entry. But once again, check for confirmation, guys. This is our sell limit. Remember, we got 200 points today. Hopefully, you benefit from that. And yes, that's what we're expecting on US30 as well. So let's see if we can find a little bit more refinement and on lower time frame, 1 hour time frame in this case, and see if he is telling us that it goes in line with our entry. whatever happens in here. Let's have a look. So yeah, it looks like yeah, it goes in line. It was our entry. Let's use lines to find a better angle of the situation. Yeah, but it's something like that that we're expecting. Yeah, our entry is not that bad, guys. But again, check for confirmation. This is what we expecting from US30 to keep moving down. But once again, it's because of the respect and breaking of the structure. At the moment, the structure that is being respected is this one around here. So you need to be taken for more confirmation to the downside. Ultimately, this one, these prices here, they need to be taken as well. But for now, let's focus on that. This is our sell limit for US30. Anyways, guys, enjoy the rest of the day. Have a good night. Take it easy and see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.